Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Asad Farooq from Omair ثناء Foundation. Today is September 4th, 2022, and today we are visiting a remote area. It is some 25 kilometers away from ઠઠ્ઠા district, and currently we have spotted a few families living there. There are some 50 individuals belonging to 12 families, and they are living very deep in poverty, to an extent that words of cruelty, poverty, ignorance start to lose their meaning. They don't have any source of livelihood, they don't have any toilet, they don't have any other facility. Even majority of them are deprived of even a single shelter to put their hands down there. And the cruelty of weather is hitting them very hard. And the silver lining is that after we spotted them, the Omair ثناء Foundation, after consultation with their mentors, decided to make this place an ideal village with the blessing of God. Stop it.